Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sesame seed soup. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready for a smooth cooking process. You will need 1 cup of black sesame seeds, 3 cups of water or plant-based milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of glutinous rice flour. A small pinch of salt balances the sweetness beautifully, creating a delightful flavor profile. Having everything organized makes the next steps much easier to follow. Begin by toasting your black sesame seeds in a dry pan over medium-low heat. Keep them moving with a spoon for about 5 minutes until they release a beautiful, nutty aroma. Be careful not to burn them, as this can make the soup taste bitter. Once toasted, let the seeds cool down completely before transferring them to a food processor. Grind them into a fine, powdery consistency, then add 1/2 cup of water and blend until a thick, smooth paste forms. Now, transfer your smooth sesame paste into a saucepan. Gradually whisk in the remaining 2.5 cups of water or plant-based milk until everything is well combined and lump-free. Add the 1/4 cup of sugar, stirring until it completely dissolves into the liquid. Finally, sprinkle in the 1 tablespoon of glutinous rice flour. Whisk continuously and thoroughly to ensure the flour integrates seamlessly, creating a perfectly smooth soup base without any unwelcome clumps. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. It is crucial to stir the soup continuously as it warms to prevent it from sticking to the bottom or forming lumps. The glutinous rice flour will gradually activate, causing the soup to thicken beautifully. Continue cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes until it reaches a creamy, velvety consistency that coats the back of a spoon. Remember to keep the heat gentle, avoiding a vigorous boil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.